Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be driving to see the Avu Road that has been awarded by Governor Hope Uzodinma. So we'll be moving from Palmtech. I don't just want to go straight to Avu Junction. So many people don't even know Avu Junction, right? If you're watching from the diaspora, many people don't know Avu Junction. So I took it upon myself to start from Palmtech. At least Palmtech is popular on the internet. At least most of you know Palmtech. And as we are driving, I also wanted to show you the Owerri Central Market that was commissioned last year. I will just show you the entrance to the Owerri Central Market, right? It's not far from Palmtech as well. Okay, while we go down to Avu Road. So many of you know that Governor Hope Uzodinma have been trying tremendously to improve Imo State, regardless of he's not doing as much, to what we are expected, right? Or what we expect. Yeah, that's it. So nevertheless, we wouldn't try to recognize the good things he has done, and he's doing just like the Avu Road. Yeah, of course, is a good development because with that road, so many people are going to move down to Avu because Avu it's somehow developing, but when you go inside, you notice that it's not really developing, right? Sorry, we've passed the Owerri Central Market, but just know that it's before this police checkpoint. This is a popular police checkpoint, and by my right is the police college. It's a massive land over there by my right, but they always do checking here left and right, but I commend them for actually doing this because it keeps the security in check and make these bad people to watch their back. Yeah, so let's move forward. I don't know for you, but I feel like with the statistics right now, it's best to invest in land property right here in Owerri because Owerri land properties are still, when I mean it's still affordable, it's affordable compared to other states like Enugu, Asaba, even Anambra. So this is the Avu Junction, the popular Avu Junction. So you can see they have started the road from here. It's a dual carriageway, they have started it from here, but they're still moving down. You get to a point where it's just one lane, but you can see that development is already here. Why? Because the road is done. Even before now, the road is good, but it's not like as it is now. So but if you notice this is the auto market by my left. If you know Avu very well, you know that by the left they sell cars here very well. So you can see where the road started from. It's 2 lane here, but they have not done the other part. So this is how it is moving forward. You can see that development is here. You can see tall buildings left and right. Why? Because the road is there. Yeah, so for me, I believe the first thing to do if you're developing any estate or if you're developing any area is to put access road, then light, then water. Those are the basic things. So when people come, they already know that there is access road, there is for them to bring in materials to build, there is water to actually build the project, and also there is light to sustain them while they are there. If you still notice, you can see that development is still here as we are moving forward. So this road, they started working on this road last year, and I believe by the end of 2025 the road will be done if the governor continues with the one he's doing right now, with the level of strength he's putting in to make sure the work is done. So down here we have lots and lots of estates down here, which needs this access road to be able to flourish and people to move down here, because from here to New Owerri is about 20 minutes drive. I don't think it's even up to 20 minutes drive, depending on how fast you can drive, but let's just say 20 minutes drive. So you can see it's within the proximity of Owerri city, right? Yeah, because when you check from let's say Kija to Lekki, it's more than 1 hour drive, right? But people still live there, like people still work. So if you want to expand very well, you need access road. That's the basics for me. Yeah. So far so good. The road is still good here, and we're still moving down. By my right and left is still development. Avu is a peaceful community, and I would encourage anyone who don't have a land yet in Owerri, and you're from Owerri, or you're looking to buy and build a rental property or commercial property. When I mean shortlets in the future, in the next 2 to 5 years. You don't come in the next 5 years and say you want to buy land. You're going to buy it very expensive, like 35 million. But if you buy it now and secure it, you can buy it for as less as 10 million. And that 35 million that you could have used to buy one plot in the next 3 years or 5 years, you use that 30 something million and buy 3 plots now. It's wise. Many people don't know this, but when we say these things, it looks like we are exaggerating, but we have seen some tremendous impact that real estate have done. Okay, check the one in Anambra, Oka Millennium City, which is by far the biggest city in Southeast as a whole. Do you know it started selling for as low as 9.5 million in Oka? If you go to Oka, ask about it. That was 2019. This year is 2025. We just entered 2025 January. That's how many years? 6 years. And guess how much it's selling now? I know you wouldn't guess. It's 50 million to 70 million for 500 square meters. That's crazy. That's over 600% return of investment. That's crazy. Imagine you bought property of 100 million and you are getting your return on investment. If you check right now, it's around 700 million. Do you know how much you've made? Imagine you bought property worth of 1 billion and by now you have 6 to 7 billion. That's what I'm talking about, right? So it's not for the shallow mind. It's for people who are willing to take the risk, right? Because people, as investors who took the risk, are already benefiting, right? If you want to know about Oka Millennium City, I will try and leave the description below. But if you go down to my videos, you'll see the videos I made in that estate, that city. It's not even an estate. You go see some videos I make when you check my videos, right? Yeah, if you want to, take a look at what it looks like right now in Oka. It's around Agwoka, that's immigration side, and Stanel, those locations, government house, those areas. That's where it is. So back to what we're saying, we can see the road is still moving down, and we have driven about 7 minutes or thereabouts, and we're still moving. And the road moved down. They are still working on the road. I didn't go down to the road because I stopped at our estate. Our estate is by the left. You can see that big gate, like something. That's our estate. But here is where I'm gonna stop, right? But the road still continues to down. But the idea is to show you what's really happening in Avu Road, and if you're looking to invest in real estate, you should think about buying land right now in Avu. So we drove all the way from Avu Junction. So this is the entrance to my estate, and the road still continues down. Okay, So if you're looking to invest in real estate in Owerri, just hit me up with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started, okay? Have a lovely day. See you on my next video.